Gold and silver both opened the week on a bearish note. However, both are sustaining the support levels at 1860 and 2180. So what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Also, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start with gold on the hourly charts. You can see on the hourly charts, higher lows are seen here, lower highs are seen here. This is the phase of consolidation which you should avoid taking a position. Now, only below 1855, I will recommend you to sell gold. At the same time, only above 1870 levels, I will recommend you to buy. In between this $15, today you have to remain cautious and alert. Those who want to risk a little can buy here at 1865, but then you have to be cautious till 1870 levels. So yes, you can initiate a buy position at 1865. However, remain cautious till 1870, and once it trades above 1870, you can expect that it may try to retrace a little till towards 1875-80 levels, which is definitely going to be a very good resistance zone. Now also, if you look at gold's movement on the hourly chart, see, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. So possibly it is trying to trade in the similar fashion. And a reversal confirmation is if it breaks beyond 1890 levels, then you can expect little more bullishness. Now see, directional movement on the hourly charts is bearish. Stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is in green, trying to converge here. RSI is also seen a good drop and now trading at comfortable levels. Now look at 2-hour chart. Similarly, on the 2-hour charts, you can see its movement, drop, consolidation, drop, consolidation, drop, consolidation. So it is still in bearish zone, and I'll wait for it to break past 1890 in order to confirm the reversal. Similarly, you can see higher lows, lower highs are seen trading in this consolidation zone, waiting for a breakout. You should also wait for it to give a breakout. Directional movement bearish here. Stochastic has seen a little drop. The MACD is in green, trying not to cross over, but still trading below zero levels. RSI trading with a negative slope, looking little bearish. Look at 3-hour chart. Similar observation on the 3-hour charts too. And if you look at directional movement, this is bearish here too. Stochastic has seen a drop. MACD not indicative. RSI looking for a drop here. Now look at 4-hour charts. This is going to be interesting. As you can see, all previous three candles, little wick, and a tail here this time. So it means there is a downward support which is trying to pull the prices little higher. However, do not consider this one a reversal till the time it trades below 1865 and then 70, specifically only above 1870 we can see a little more rise. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic looking down here again. And if you look at the MACD is in green, however, without any divergence, without any crossovers here. RSI is also looking down, indicating slight bearishness, but not much. But look at the daily chart. Now see, on the daily chart, see couple of sharp red candles, multiple retracements, then a sharp red candle, and now it is trying to consolidate. Now look at the weekend candle here, which is just today's morning here. You can see it is closed almost flat with the previous two candles at 1863-64 levels, and this candle has started lower and traded lower right now. It is looking forward to a little further drop. However, once it trades beyond 1865, you can expect that there could be little, and specifically above 1870 if you see it trading, then you can confirm for a buy entry. See, this is also the 50 period moving average here, and on the downside the space is wide open. 1840 levels are the next strongest support. Directional movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic was oversold, it is retraced a bit, it has come out of the oversold zone here. The MACD is bearish, and see the candle size is flattened and now trying to diminish. Possibly it may soon converge crossover for the buy entries. RSI trading flat and near to bottom. Considering this for the day, do not sell till it is above 1855. Below 1855, the target is 1850.47 and then 1840. 1840 is going to remain a very good support. On the upside, you can buy at 1865. Expect 1870 First, those who want to risk a little should only buy at 1865. A real buy entry is above 1870, where you can expect 1875, 80 levels. I think that possibly it may try to achieve 1880 is a good resistance, and beyond that we may see 1890 levels. If it breaks past 1890, then only confirm it for a bullish entry, and then it can try to rise more. On the downside, below 1840, you can see a little more bearishness. Then you can expect it to drop till towards 1833 and 1820 levels. I don't see it happening today, but these are markets. Anything is possible. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on first week of March. Reserve your seats now itself so that you can trade with confidence. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategy which can be applied to indices, commodities, forex, even crypto as well. So reach out to me for more details. Now let's have a look at silver on the hourly chart. Now look at silver's move on the hourly chart. This was the previous drop. It has come to the same levels, and below that 1880, which is definitely a very good support level. Below 1880 only little more bearishness will be seen. Also look at the hourly chart. See, retracement, drop, lower highs, drop, and then this move here. Now at the same time, one must not forget that, see, once you see it trading above 22, you can buy here, but then expect that 22.10, 22.20. Only and only if it trades above 22.20, you can expect that it is trying to reverse a bit. Then we can expect 22.40, 22.60 levels, and these levels are going to be prime resistance. Beyond 22.60, it should be considered bullish. Till that time, do not consider this as bullish. It is just a retracement. You should take it as. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has seen a good drop, and MACD is again trying to diverge. This is once again trading bearish for silver on the early charts. Be cautious here. RSI looking down, and if you look at 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, you can see here, see consolidation rise, then same levels again consolidation, sharp drop, consolidation drop. See the drop size has you can see half the complete drop you can see previously. This means that it is not willing to take it further down, but we have to remain watchful, as if it starts sliding down, it can be a stronger one. And see the support levels, and the trend line support is also there on the downside at 2180 now. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is again trying to diverge and trade bearish. That is one point, and it requires couple of strong green candles for it to cross over on the buy side. RSI looking down, indicating little weakness here. And if you look at 3 hour, similar observation is on the 3 hour charts, and hence within this zone between 2180 and $22, I will not recommend you to take any trade. At the same time, on the 3 hour charts, couple of observations. Look at the size of the candles. Previous candle was of indecision, highs and lows, similar size of wick and tail, but this also opened the doors for a bearish candle. The directional movement is divergent and bearish. RSI stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is just trying to diverge more. RSI looking down, showing little weakness here. And on the 4 hour charts, see multiple red candles coming back to the same bottom, and hence till the time it trades above 1880, do not sell anything, and possibly achieving those levels, it can possibly try to retrace a little. Also look at the 4 hour charts, consolidation drop, retracement, then drop. So it is trying to create a channel of its own, which is a bearish channel. On the downside, if it trades below 2280 levels, 2180 levels, you can expect that we may see 2160 levels, very good support, and then further to that you may see a very good drop for 2150. Now these two levels, 2150, you should mark out for very, very strong support lies there. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic dropping. The MACD is at bottom and it is trying to cross over for a sell again. RSI looking down, and look at the daily charts. Now see on the daily charts, it is formed the bottom here, and almost the lows which we had seen on Friday. Now even if it tries to retrace, only bullishness is if it trades about 22. You can expect that we may see it rising again till towards 2220, 2230, 40. In fact 2260, which is a very, very strong resistance zone, only beyond which you can expect that it has reversed. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic is extremely oversold here, and hence a possible recovery can be expected. Directional movement, you can see MACD is bearish. It is trying to converge a bit. Let's see if it does. RSI looking down, indicating little bearishness. Now see 1 point only below 1880. There could be little bearishness, but then see, first thing is 1821, sorry, 2180. Only below 2180 you can expect little bearishness, but below that also you can expect 2160, 2150 levels are going to be extremely important support levels. And only below 2150 silver has got the bears there. Till 2150 levels you can expect it can bounce back again, it can reverse the losses again, and hence you should be watchful and careful till 2150 levels on the downside. And on the upside, 2260 is the level beyond which certainly we may see a strong reversal confirmation. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.